Nah, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making flaming hot Cheeto chicken balls. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 bag of flaming hot crunchy Cheetos. We need 2 eggs, a bowl of flour, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of sea salt, 1/2 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. I have 1 pound of ground chicken, and I shredded mild cheddar cheese. I had an 8-ounce block. I only used 4 ounces. Okay, in a small bowl, we're going to add in all of our seasonings. Then you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now to our ground chicken, we're going to add our seasoning. And guys, if you would like to use less seasoning, you can. I just like to have my meat thoroughly seasoned. Now all you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Now you can set your ground chicken to the side. Now I have my food processor and my flaming hot Cheetos. Now we're just going to add our Cheetos to the food processor. Now we're just going to put it on high until all our Cheetos are crushed. Once they're crushed, we're going to go ahead and transfer them to our bowl, and you want to reserve some and put it to the side. Okay guys, as you can see, I divided it evenly between my 2 bowls. Okay guys, now you want to get a small baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. We're going to take our ground chicken and begin to roll it into balls. Okay, now you want to get your shredded cheese, and all we're going to do is put a hole in the middle of our chicken balls, and we're just going to add the cheese in. Then you're going to close the cheese into it. Okay guys, once you've rolled the cheese into your chicken balls, I'm going to take the chicken ball and place it into our flour. You want to make sure it's nicely coated. Shake off any excess flour. Then we're going to place it into our egg wash. Once it's coated, shake off excess egg wash, and now place it into your Cheetos. And make sure it's coated all the way. Now repeat the process. Okay guys, this is what they look like. Okay guys, I started adding my chicken balls in, and they should take about 7 minutes to cook all the way through. If they change in color, that's fine. That's why we reserved some of our Cheetos. So remember, about 7 minutes and they'll be done all the way through. Okay guys, you want to turn them over halfway through the cooking process. As you can see, they're holding their color really nicely. Okay guys, after 7 minutes, I'm going to remove them and place them onto a wire rack. Okay guys, look how nice they came out. They've really held their color. Now we're going to take the rest of the Cheetos that we had saved, and we're just going to place our chicken balls into them and just coat them one more time. Okay guys, so here are our flaming hot Cheeto chicken balls, and I cut into one of them. Look how cheesy that is. These are delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.